Most trader thinks you need to predict direction to make money, but what if the market doesn't move at all? And that's where the Iron Condor comes in. It's a neutral option strategy designed to earn consistent premium when the market stay within a range with defined risk and limited reward. So what is Iron Condor? It is created by combining two spread, a bear call spread and a bull put spread. You sell an out of money call and buy higher strike call, and at the same time you sell an out of money put and buy a lower strike put. So you are collecting premium from both sides while also protecting your risk. This create a clear price range, and as long as the market stay inside that range, you keep the premium. So in the middle range you earn maximum profit, and on both sides your losses is limited. This strategy work best in sideways market, low volatility, and when time decay is working in your favor. It is also about letting time to do the job for you. So avoid Iron Condor in a strong trend, high volatility, before any major event or near expiry, because big move can break your range. So remember, Iron Condor work best when the market is calm. Trade smart, stay patient, and let consistency build your profit.